Hello people, today I'm going to talk with you about iPhone 10. Well, talking about iPhone 10, if we talk about its back part at first, its back part is changed from metal to glass now. It has IP67 water and dust proof for 30 minutes. Its sides are made with aluminum. It has a display of 5.8 inches OLED. It has a display of 1125 into 2436 pixels. Its aspect ratio is 19:5:9 and it has 458 ppi. If you want to power up the phone, then press the power button and volume up button and hold it. If you want to take screenshot, then press the power button and volume up button and release it. Well, it has infrared camera that works even in low light. It doesn't have any earphone jack. The Apple iPhone 10 is powered by hexa-core Apple A11 Bionic processor and it comes with 3 GB of RAM. The phone packs 64 GB of internal storage that cannot be expanded. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Apple iPhone 10 packs a 12 megapixel primary camera on the rear and a 7 megapixel front shooter for selfies. The Apple iPhone 10 runs iOS 11 and is powered by a 2716 mAh non-removable battery. It measures 143.60 into 70.90 into 7.70, that is its height, width and thickness respectively. It weighs 174 grams. The Apple iPhone 10 is a single SIM smartphone that accepts a nano SIM. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, NFC, 3G and 4G. Sensors on the phone include proximity sensor, accelerometer, ambient light sensor, gyroscope and barometer. Well, in my description, I've given the links about this iPhone 10. You can check them out by clicking the links on the description provided. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. And of course don't forget to share this video with others too. Thank you.